I will say it's not possible to understand the Mediterranean region without understanding their people. I think there is a very shared and common ground, which is difficult to define, but you can really identify these specific personality traits in people from different regions around the Mediterranean. So I really think that the best way to understand the Mediterranean by itself is by understanding the people and the different societies around the sea.
Going through kind of Tunisia, Senegal and Istanbul, it's really like opens a really broad perspective on what the Mediterranean is, how we understand it and how we understand relations between, you know, Europe and these like different regions that sometimes seem similar but are completely different, and their interests and, you know, I guess way we relate to them is totally different as well.
It's great having so many people with different educational backgrounds. There's some of us who have done anthropology, some have done political science, other people have done international relations. So it's cool to get to exchange, but I also appreciate being in a group of people who have a similar outlook on their interests and the desire to travel, the openness towards other cultures and learning other languages. I think the Mediterranean program is specific. Even though we all have really different backgrounds, we do share a sort of common mentality that has built a really nice community.
Selon la tradition grecque et romaine, la Méditerranée est un pont et n'est pas une barrière. Donc les échanges interculturels, les histoires, la philosophie, pour moi a toujours été une chose très intéressante à découvrir. Et donc aussi découvrir des pays comme les pays de l'Afrique du Nord ou de Moyen-Orient comme la Turquie, qui je n'ai jamais visité et qui peut être l'occasion pour découvrir des nouvelles choses très intéressantes pour ma formation. J'ai découvert beaucoup de choses et ma tête s'est ouverte vraiment à l'extérieur et être aussi, c'est ça, ouvrir ma pensée et trouver des choses que je n'aurais jamais trouvées en restant chez moi à Cuneo.